Your car doesn't have to come from us to be treated like family. At Bob Penkhus, we also offer top-notch service and parts to keep your car performing like new. For over 70 years, we've been selling and maintaining vehicles in Colorado Springs. In fact, our team is a multi-recipient of the BBB Excellence in Customer Service Award. Our service and parts department provides high-quality, mileage-based maintenance service, tire mount and repair, full interior and exterior detail packages, and quality parts installed by factory-trained technicians. You can relax or work virtually in our service lounge and enjoy refreshments and pastries while we pamper your car. Every time your car is serviced, it goes back home washed. Plus, we offer free multi-point inspections with every service, taking the guesswork out of maintaining your vehicle. Backed by our complimentary warranty on new and used vehicles, you can continue to drive with confidence, knowing that our certified master and lead master technicians are keeping your vehicle running at its absolute best. From quality maintenance to extensive details, Bob Penkhus keeps your car feeling new and safe for you and your family. So come into Bob Penkhus today for all your service and parts needs.